making soft and flavorful potato and paneer tikki, a perfect homemade snack. Let's start. First, add 200 grams grated paneer to a bowl. Add 1/2 teaspoon paprika and 1/2 teaspoon chopped coriander leaves. Mix everything well, then set it aside. Now heat 2 to 3 tablespoons cooking oil in a pan. Add 1 medium finely chopped red onion and sauté for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add 1 medium finely chopped red bell pepper and cook again for another 2 to 3 minutes. Now add 4 medium boiled potatoes. I boiled them earlier and left them to cool before cooking. Mix everything together. Now add the spices, starting with 1 teaspoon Indian spice blend, 1 teaspoon curry powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon chaat masala, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon paprika powder. Mix thoroughly so the spices coat the potatoes nicely. Now add 1 teaspoon dried fenugreek leaves, 1 teaspoon parsley and salt to taste. Keep mixing and mashing everything over low heat until the mixture becomes soft and well combined. Now add fresh breadcrumbs made from 1 slice of bread. Add 2 tablespoons corn flour. This step is optional, but it helps bind the mixture. Add a handful of fresh chopped coriander and mix everything well. The potato mixture is ready. Apply a little oil on your hands, then take about 1½ tablespoons of the potato mixture. Make it into a ball, then gently press it in your hands. Now add 1 heaped tablespoon of the paneer filling in the center. Close it carefully, shape it into a ball again, then gently press it into a tikki shape. Now shallow fry on a medium flame until both sides are beautifully golden. After frying, here's the final plate, golden soft and topped with sliced onions for freshness. And here's how it looks inside. Soft, flavorful, and perfectly cooked. Serve hot with your favorite dip. I use tamarind chutney. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like, share, and subscribe to Creative Recipes. It really helps my channel grow. Thank you for watching.